Welcome to part 47 of Cute Small Apartment Creative Design Ideas. In this enchanting episode, we embark once again on a journey through the whimsical world of compact living spaces. These small apartments, though modest in square footage, are grand in character and ingenious in their space-saving solutions. Hi everyone, Lulu here. Let's dive into the art of maximizing minimal spaces with style and functionality. In fact, this is the essence of Cute Small Apartment Creative Design Ideas, video series where every small space tells a big story. But before that, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell to keep up with all our latest videos. Let's transform your space into a charming heaven, no matter the size. The image showcases an open space in a small modern apartment. The apartment is well lit and elegantly furnished, featuring a harmonious blend of dark and light tones. The L-shaped kitchen is modern with dark cabinets, under-cabinet lighting, and bar stools at the counter, offering a functional yet stylish space for cooking and dining. The living area includes a brown leather sofa facing a white coffee table adorned with decorative items like books, flowers, and fruits. Behind the sofa, there is a dining area with a table surrounded by 4 Bordeaux chairs under an elegant hanging light fixtures. Large windows allow natural light to flood into the room, illuminating every corner and offering views of trees outside, adding to the serene ambience. A white armchair paired with green plants adds an element of comfort and nature to the interior design. The wooden flooring extends throughout the open space, enhancing its warm and welcoming feel. This image presents an open space in a small modern apartment. The living area features two stylish blue-gray armchairs adorned with striped cushions positioned around a round glass coffee table. A patterned rug under the coffee table adds textures to the wooden flooring. There is artwork on the wall, plants, and decorative items, creating an inviting atmosphere. The kitchen is equipped with modern white cabinetry complemented by a green backsplash. A wooden dining table with four chairs provides a space for meals. Pendant lights hang from the ceiling, illuminating both the living and dining areas effectively. The overall color scheme consists of neutral tones accented by pops of color from decoration and furniture. This image captures a well-lit, cozy open space within a small apartment. The space features wooden flooring that adds warmth to the space. The dining table, made of light wood, is surrounded by four comfy chairs. A vase with dried plants serves as the centerpiece on the dining table. Behind the dining area is a living space featuring two dark gray colored sofas facing each other and adorned with throw pillows and blankets. Large windows allow natural light to flow into the room, enhancing its openness and airy feel. They also offer views of greenery outside. To the left side of this open space is an L-shaped kitchen with cabinetry in gray tones, light colors backsplash, and black countertop. The image portrays another well-lit, cozy open space within a small apartment. The room features wooden flooring that adds warmth to the space. The black dining table made of wood for 6 people is sat in front of the windows. The kitchen is equipped with wooden cabinets, a built-in oven, a sink, and a stylish island counter with bar stools. Large windows reveal a breathtaking view of green hills and architectural structures outside. In the living area, there are 2 cozy chairs with cushions, accompanied by a small coffee table and a stylish and comfortable sofa. Pendant lights hang from the ceiling, illuminating both the living and dining area effectively. Another small apartment with a cute design. Compact open space with light-colored wooden flooring. A black round dining table made of wood surrounded by light eggshell chairs is in a corner. The small kitchen is equipped with white cabinets, a built-in oven and sink. Adjacent to the dining space, the living area features a comfortable beige sofa adorned with cushions and a small coffee table holding books and glasses. The wall behind the living area is painted green, contrasting nicely with the otherwise neutral tones on the room. Artwork hangs on both the green wall and above the dining table, adding aesthetic appeal to the space. 2 large windows and a glass door flood the room with natural light, enhancing its spaciousness and warmth. And that's a wrap on part 47 of our series Cute Small Apartment Creative Design Ideas. We hope you enjoyed exploring these innovative and charming spaces with us. Remember, no matter how small your apartment is, with a bit of creativity and inspiration, you can make it a cozy, stylish, and a functional home. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next episode. In the next part of our series, we'll continue to bring you more creative design ideas for small apartments. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!